Hi guys, this video is about why to learn R if you're trying to choose between R and Python. Well, if you are somebody who is leaning towards Python and only wants to learn one language, well, this video is not for you. You have already made up your mind. Python is a language that gets you more jobs, it's more popular, and it's a generalist language that allows you to do more. So, whatever you can do in R, you can do in Python, plus much more in data science and deep learning and natural language programming sort of way. But if you are somebody who's leaning towards R and you're thinking whether it's a good decision or not to invest in learning two languages, or even this language, if you were to learn it by itself, then this video is for you because that's the kind of people I'm trying to help out with this video. Well, I learned R as the first data analysis tool, and I loved it so much that I use it to this day. What I love about R, and this is something that Python does not allow you to do, is this really easy and intuitive way of doing data analysis and data manipulation. So R has this set of packages called Tidyverse, which includes a package called Deployer and a package called ggplot2. These packages allow you to manipulate data in a very simple way, in a very intuitive way, and also allow you to create customizable charts and graphs, which are very easy to make and are very intuitive to work with. So even though you can do the same sort of thing in Python, it's a lot easier to do this kind of data analysis, data manipulation, data transformation in R because it's a language that is developed for that purpose. Um, and it you can also do machine learning and data science in R, which you can do in Python, but not to that scale and not to that level of granularity which Python allows. But as far as data analysis is concerned, R is a tool which is specifically made and designed for data analysis. And I have found that generally, if you want to do something, there is one or two functions that will allow you to do that in R. But in Python, sometimes there can be a long winded approach. Sometimes you even may have to uh, do for loops and stuff, whereas in R, it's just like applying that function to a whole data frame, and it's just super easy. I love R. I am an advocate for R. I'm a fan of the person who developed Tidyverse, Hadley Wickham, and I highly recommend R to anybody who wants to take up data analysis as a career. I have found this language to be extremely rewarding in my time learning it, and extremely I've been rewarded for that time that I spent learning it. So I recommend it to anybody who wants to learn R.